Hello everyone, I am back again with this question. Differentiate sin x whole to the power cos x plus log x whole to the power x. So here we can see both the terms are of function to the power function. So definitely we have to use logarithmic differentiation. But this differentiation is a little bit different. Why? Because in logarithmic differentiation we generally take log in both the sides. Then we differentiate. But here we cannot take log initially. Because if we take log both the side initially, then let's see what happens. Suppose if we take log both the side initially, then the right side will become log of something plus something. But log of a plus b is not equals to log a plus log b. Therefore, the idea of taking log initially is totally wrong. Then what should we do? Here we will write y is equals to sin x whole to the power cos x plus log x whole to the power x. And we will assume both the terms as two different variables. Like u is equals to sin x whole to the power cos x and v is equals to log x whole to the power x. Therefore, we can write y is equals to u plus v. Now we will differentiate it first. So we will get dy dx equals to du dx plus dv dx. Now we will differentiate u and v separately, then replace the value of du dx and dv dx here. So first we'll differentiate u, and here u is equals to sin x whole to the power cos x. And to differentiate u, we need the logarithmic differentiation now. So we will take log both the sides. Then this will become log of sin x whole to the power, log of sin x to the power cos x. And that cos x will come out and will multiply it with log of sin x. Now after differentiating with respect to x, we got 1 by u into du dx in the left hand side, and we will apply product rule in the right hand side. So first we need to differentiate cos x and leaves log sin x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into leave the second function plus leave the first function into differentiation of the second function, that is log of sin x. Now differentiation of log sin x will be 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin x, that is cos x. So therefore 1 by u du dx equals to minus sin x into log of sin x plus cos x into cot x. Now we know that u equals to sin x whole to the power cos x, and this u will be cross multiplied. So therefore we can write du dx equals to sin x whole to the power cos x into minus sin x into log sin x plus cos x into cot x. So that function du dx will be replaced here in this du dx. Now let us find out the differentiation of v. Here v is equals to log x whole to the power x. Now don't misunderstand this with log of x to the power x. Here both the functions are different. Here in this function, this x became log x, then the log x became log x whole to the power x. But here the x became first x to the power x, then log is applied on x to the power x. So in this second function, that to the power x will come out and multiply with the log. But for the first function we cannot write like that. So therefore don't think that this to the power x will come out. Hence we need to apply log both the sides. So here we have the relation after applying log both the sides. Now think the right hand side as log of a to the power x. Now this log can come outside the log, that is this log, and we can write log v is equals to x into log of x. Now let us differentiate it with respect to x. So we got the left hand side as 1 by v dv dx equals to, in the right hand side differentiation, so we need factor form, the product form. So first function is x and the second function is log of x. So differentiation of the first function, that will be 1 into, leave the second function, then plus, leave the first function, then differentiation of the second function. Now first differentiation of this log, so it will be 1 by log x, now into differentiation of this log, and that will be 1 by x. So finally we get 1 by v dv dx equals to log of x plus 1 by log x. Now again v is equals to log x whole to the power x, and we need to multiply this v in the right hand side, and we will do both the steps together. So we can write dv dx equals to log x whole to the power x into log of x plus 1 by log x. Now we need to replace the values of du dx and dv dx. So we will just replace this function plus the value of dv dx, which is this one. Hence dy dx is equals to sin x whole to the power cos x into minus sin x log of sin x plus cos x into cot x plus log x to the power x log of log x plus 1 by log x. Thank you.